There's never been a shortage of space strategy games, but few have come close to the colossal success enjoyed by Microprose's Master of Orion. This summer, the Logic Factory, founded by a pair of Origin alumni, hopes to tip the charts with a moo killer called Ascendency, which will be distributed by Broderbund. The first improvement Ascendency offers is immediately noticeable. The game runs in beautiful 256 color SVGA with rendered ships and tiles. And let's not overlook the nicest innovation, fonts you can actually read. If nothing else, this is reason enough for all strategy games to be SVGA. The game isn't only pretty though. The attractive graphics are accompanied by an appropriately science fiction-y score, which plays directly off the CD. As in Master of Orion, you control the destiny of a single race, its production, research, exploration, and interaction with other races. However, there are 21 different races you may choose from, each with its own unique special ability, with the computer controlling up to 6 alien opponents. Using diplomacy, force, or a balance of the two, you must dominate the other races of the galaxy to help your species achieve, you guessed it, Ascendency. The interface has been designed with usability in mind. A series of linked tutorials walks you through its features, switching between dialog boxes that explain the interface and recorded mouse movements that demonstrate their use. During gameplay, holding Shift and clicking almost anywhere will get you a pop-up help screen about the item you clicked on. The main screen is the Galactic display, a 3D map which displays all the stars in the game. This view can be rotated to any angle and zoomed in and out. It also shows explored systems and star lanes and who controls them. Small details provide a wealth of information. For example, tiny triangles next to a system indicate a fleet there. A ring around a star indicates a colony. Clicking twice on a star brings you to the system display. Like Galactic Display, this is a 3D map that shows all objects in an area and can be rotated, scaled, or centered on a specific object. It adds grids and height guides that can be toggled on and off. System View shows the system's star, its planets, local star lane entry and exit points, and any ships currently in that system. It is from this view that you move ships and conduct combat. Clicking twice on a planet takes you to Planet Management. Here, planets are divided up into abstract squares, each of which allows one structure to be added to it. Adding structures is simple. Just click on the title and a list appears which shows only structures that can be built in that square. Or click on the New Project box, which shows all the structures you know how to build, and then click in an appropriate square. Structures produce either research, industry, or prosperity, which are applied to technology, development, production, and population growth respectively. Additionally, certain squares are colored and add bonuses to a specific type of production. Blue adds to research, red to productivity, and green to prosperity. Once you've built a shipyard, you can begin to construct ships and dispatch them to other systems. Building a ship works much the same as managing a planet. Different sized ships have a given number of spaces, each of which contain a structure. Ship structures come in 4 basic flavors: generators, shields, weapons, and engines. There are also specials, each of which has a unique function. A colonizer, for example, enables you to drop a new colony, ready-made, onto any planet you may come across. Of course, there's another use for starships, and that's to blast the snot out of any alien species rude enough to question your standing as Supreme Galactic Overlord. Before showing them the Iron Fist, you can try the Velvet Glove treatment. Ascendency features an advanced diplomacy engine that allows you to trade all sorts of information. Not only technology, but data on where you've traveled and what systems you've explored. You can also redefine your relationship with a specific species by asking for an alliance or declaring war. With a host of new features, Ascendency should appeal to die-hard strategy gamers looking for a new fix. With its simple interface and innovative help features, it should be non-threatening enough to attract new players to the genre. Be forewarned, however, the game will be CD-ROM only and will require 8 megs of RAM to run. Look for it this fall.